Hey there, welcome to the Ask the Expert. I'm your expert, Dan Danowski with IWA.com for the YouTube. I'm going to answer heat and cooling question today. They give me these questions, so this one's today's. Do I have to replace my air conditioner and furnace at the same time? So what they're talking about is they probably got a complete home system that integrates the air conditioner and the furnace, right? So do they have to replace it all at the same time? No, you don't. Maybe something was bad with the furnace and it goes out, a couple years before it should have, but your air conditioner's still doing great. Do you have to get a new air conditioner? No. Or, vice versa. You have to get a new furnace? No. Your local professional can come in and replace one or the other. Is there any reason why you wouldn't want to get both new ones at the same time? Not really. Maybe if you just don't want to have to worry about the hassle of replacing another system in a couple of years, you can say, hey, just do it all now. I know I'm going to have to replace this one in a year or two, so let's just get it all done. But no, there's not any real reason you would have to do that unless you got some really weird system and like they're linked together. Like if one dies, the other dies. Like some sort of action movie from the 80s. Mr. Bond, we put this in your heart, and if Goldfinger dies, you explode. But you probably don't have that. Okay, bye. Oh wait, do you have questions about air conditioners and furnaces and if they're interchangeable or interlinked or have to be replaced at the same time? Just ask in the comments below. Also, you can ask questions about James Bond. Okay, bye.